Welcome to the Whiteboard series. This is a video series that breaks down NC State research that relates to cover crops and other conservation practices. Today, we'll be looking at how termination timing can influence cereal rye biomass. Cereal rye remains one of the most popular cover crops across the U.S. and here in North Carolina. Its ability to produce a large amount of biomass makes it a great candidate for cover crop goals like weed suppression and increased soil organic matter. Farmers are often told that increasing the growth and biomass of cover crops will influence the benefits on their farms. A common recommendation for improving biomass is to delay terminating the cereal rye as late as possible to allow for additional spring growth. While this recommendation has been supported by several studies, the majority of these studies took place in the Midwest. A group of NC State researchers wanted to test this recommendation here in North Carolina. Cereal rye was planted in October at 80 pounds per acre across 4 counties for 2 growing seasons. This gave 8 total environments for comparison. In the spring, half of the cereal rye was terminated 4 weeks before the planting of soybeans, and then the remainder was terminated at soybean planting for each environment. The researchers measured biomass at all environments to see if delaying termination actually resulted in more cereal rye growth and biomass. The results were somewhat surprising. They found delaying termination had no impact on biomass for 5 of 8 environments. In other words, the recommendation for delaying termination to increase biomass only worked 37.5% of the time. So why was this? Weather was likely a significant factor. At the 3 environments where biomass did increase with delayed termination, significant temperature spikes between treatments may have driven additional growth. North Carolina is prone to warmer early spring temperatures. These warmer temperatures mean cereal rye can develop sooner in the calendar year. Once cereal rye reaches a heading stage, additional growth and biomass begin to level off. This means that farmers that have already reached this heading stage now have the flexibility to terminate their cereal rye whenever they see fit without sacrificing additional biomass. This flexibility can allow farmers to terminate earlier to avoid risks with pest transfer, soil moisture issues, and difficulties planting through green residue. This work was part of a master's thesis titled Optimizing Cover Crop Management to Reduce Troublesome Pests for Soybean Production in North Carolina by Hannah Massengill with the support of her advisors Dr. Rachel Vann and Dr. Dominic Rising.